bumper.
You can also see the 62 move down just slightly.
Hold it straight. Airline's got a little bit more of a run. 43 closing on you. But still has got spinning top, spinning top, spinning top.
Just nothing.
Worst case scenario too, has that big run coming up on what we all know is happening.
Jumps on the brakes here, a little wheel hop. He's in it at that point.
Look at that heart rate skyrocketing.
Jamie McMurray started this race at a heart rate of.
Just staying inside. It's a free as in your mirror. The 5 top gonna hit it. Mid, down, good down.
His spotter, Eddie DeHunt, helping him get through it. Now remember, the 20 machine of Christopher Bell, that car only changed right side tires on that last pit stop.
And Jamie McMurray's involved. Biggest thing I didn't like about that is he hit that turtle.
Late. You could see right away that right rear tire.
Trouble front straightaway, start finish line.
One fast, gotta take it down.
Yeah.
One fast, right on you.
Field cam.
Even, 2 chronics behind.
You see, he tries to slow it down, but just doesn't slow it down.
Now it's on a splitter and takes off.
Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, man.
It's just like a... He's lucky.
Yeah, he's
that
lucky.
could have been right in his lap.
Against the wall.
Cody Ware on the inside. Oh, boy.
I think that was avoidable. I mean,
Nothing you can do right there. You're along for the ride. Ryan got loose.
The Ford Performance Cam.
Man, he was going for a ride.
So let's ride with Denny Hamlin, who is still on the lead lap after his troubles. And Bubba Wallace, who is one lap down. With our Coke can.
3 wide middle, real tight to your right. You got him spinning. He's got to go into the bottom. He's going to the bottom. He's going to get knocked back up. All right, caution's out. Caution's out. Caution's out.
The caution comes out for Kurt Busch at lap 107.
Easy, straighten up. Caution's out. Caution's out.
Yeah, here the wheel hop.
Yeah,
and brakes started to get through the drive line.
And the grip is.
onboard the 19 car. Bubba's trying to do a traditional exit where you enter.
Settings, right? So you got the tires leaning in too much. The camber of the front end is off. It makes the car drive better.
Onboard right here with Briscoe.
Steve, you have to wonder if Briscoe was upset.
Lemon's coming to you tight. Clear bottom lane, clear bottom lane.
In front of them. Something happened in front of Truex. He checked up.
Scream middle here.
See how he works himself through here?
Easy, stay low as you can. Stay middle,
Ooh.
watch him, easy, stay right there. All good, keep coming.
Great patience by Austin. He has nothing to lose. Keep this car in one piece. he gets run into right there. So I think that might have been Bubba Wallace that got into the back of him.
Playoffs start next week.
Joey's like, I'm lucky to get through there.
Cut the right front tire, but right here, hit the wall. And
one lap, +1.
see, the minute he hit, he made contact.
I mean, it literally flexes the tail from the thing. I mean, that is a big shot. Elliott, let's take a look.
You're clear.
Wow. There was the contact. Sent him into the wall. Could that be the payback for Bristol?
Point.
Watch your bottom now, watch your bottom. 19 to one back here. There you go. You're on the 20, too wide here. 9 in line with you, still there. Inside. Got in the wall hard.
Right along with Kevin Harvick. See right there how quickly he
Very
just
pretty.
came
Low, low,
around.
low.
Kozlowski in the 2. He just looked like he blew the right front tire right before he made contact with the wall. That car set down on the right front. He's riding on board Denny's.
Easy, keep rolling here. Stay high, stay high, stay high, stay high.
He does a good job.
It's kind of a nice slow spin here. Oh, across the nose of the 3.
Yeah, the 3 without any right front fender, so he had to hope that side trying his hardest. Overruns the entry of the corner. We see it over and over. This is